Hey guys, what's up? Mazda 2284 here. I got a legacy subwoofer, 10-inch subwoofer. So it's got a 70-ounce magnet on it, which there's no way. But yeah, 400 watt. It's a little sub, but my buddy has a pair of these on a little Boss amp. He didn't have much money, so this is what he got, and it does what it needs to do for him. It adds in lows that the factory stereo wouldn't have. So this one had a broken lead, so I fixed it up for him. Little clippy there, so he can use it. So oh yeah, thanks for watching.